Paris Panthers, Miss Doris again. Second video, I want to show you how to check into your classes. A lot of you guys are saying that you are present in class, but you haven't been checking in. And so we wanted to create a video so that you guys can check in. So if you go here again to your box and click on your Paris High School webpage, this little handy dandy thing, right? It'd be good if you could actually uh, bookmark it, right? So that you can actually just click on it, and then that way you don't have to type it in like I am doing it all the time. You're going to click on class link. Remember, I told you this tab is going to be something very important for you. And for your virtual check-in, you're going to need to use this icon, which is called Infinite Campus. Infinite Campus is basically the platform we use to record all your grades, your attendance, and anything else. Your referrals, right, are also in here. We can contact your parents from in here. Your information is in here. Your history, your transcript is in here. So you're going to click on this guy, and it's going to take you to something like this. Okay, you're going to need to use log in with a username and a password. And you're going to click into your homepage here, which is called your Infinite Campus homepage, and you're going to see something called Today. You're going to click on Today, and that way you're going to see this. On the left-hand side, you'll see your name and your student ID number and your grade. You'll also see check-ins. This is what we're doing here. We're doing a daily check-in for your classes, okay? On the right side, you're going to see your semester 1 schedule, okay? So these are all your classes, period 1, period 2, period 3, right, all the way to 7. Now, these will not be highlighted until the time they start. So if your class doesn't start until 9, right, like period 3, it's not going to let you check into period 3 until 9 o'clock, okay? So you're going to click on check-in for economics today, which starts at 8. And you're going to say, yes, I'm here. You must do this for each period during the day, regardless of whether or not you're in a Google Meet live instruction with the teacher. You still need to go through this every day, okay? So as soon as period 1 starts, click on to Infinite Campus and click, yes, I'm here, right? Then you're going to click, when you go back to your home page, right? When you return to the Today page, you will notice that the check-in is gone because you've actually managed your attendance and you've said you're present. This means that you will not be marked absent and your parents won't be called, okay? You must do this for all periods, and you must do this every day. So you're going to go to class link, click on your Infinite Campus, sign in, and then you're going to click on Today, and you're going to click on Check-in, okay, for first period. And then when second period pops in, you'll click on Check-in, right? And then you're just going to click Yes, I'm here in order to mark your attendance. Hopefully this helps.